Y'all ready to make this Greek salad with me? I went ahead and chopped up the veggies and crumbled the feta for you. I have the instructions and the ingredients at the end. That way you can screenshot it. But if you're anything like me, a visual is always helpful. So here you go. I'm pretty sure you can get store-bought Greek dressing, but I prefer to make my own. Although it's not traditional, I like to add a green and some protein to mine. Gives me a 1-2 punch of nutrition. And it makes it a complete meal. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment box and I'll get right back to you. And since you got this far, why don't you go ahead and give me a like and subscribe? I'd highly appreciate it. If you'd like to see some delicious home-cooked meals, go check out my channel. Now back to this recipe. If you have the time, go ahead and make it 2 to 4, even 6 hours before you serve it. That way all the flavors can marry. But don't add the green, protein, or the cheese until you're ready to serve it. My protein of choice is chicken because I had some left over from last night's dinner. But you can add or subtract anything you'd like. This is your meal, so make it to your liking. Thanks for watching. God bless and take care. Bye.